Until COVID-19, Presido Buhari don receive economic sustainability plan from Vice Presido Osinbanjo for Abuja. The ogbonge report wey dem submit give Presido Buhari on Thursday, June 11, 2020 for State House, Abuja, na wetin Economic Adversity Committee, 36 states governor and leadership of the House of Assembly don already do ogbonge consultation on top. This ogbonge report get the Economic Recovery and Growth Plan, Economic Crisis Committee, Finance Act for 2019, CBN proposal and National Economic Council report on all the bad things wey this yamayama disease don cause for Naija inside am. The chairman for Economic Sustainability Committee, wey he also be the Vice Presido, Professor Osinbanjo, talk say the only thing wey go make the plan succeed na to implement am well.
We are confident that if the proposals are taken as a whole and implemented consensuously, Nigeria will avert the worst of the impending economic headwinds and convert this crisis to a victory for the Nigerian economy and the Nigerian people.
Una go sabi say Presido Buhari dey always talk am say make we dey produce all the things wey we dey chop and say make we still dey chop all the things wey we dey produce. This one can't make them talk am for the report. Say make them they do plenty agricultural and housing programs where then go create different work for people where no get. Take local material where they available, take construct road, can still do light, where go they use sun, where onyibo people they call solar power. For 5 million households, may for fit reach the 25 million Naija people where no they first get light.
We've also recommended support for local production and manufacturing of all that is possible, including technology applications, software, shoes, garments, steel fabrication, ceramics, and furniture, with the required capital and essential machinery. We've also recommended the provision of ample support for the informal sector through low-interest loans, support for MSMEs, especially in assisting to restructure their loans with banks, the expansion of the social investment program, through an increase in the number of cash transfer beneficiaries, an increase in the number of N-Power volunteers, and sundry traders enjoying small and micro loans to cover a large number of the extremely poor.
Presido Buhari salutes the Economic Sustainability Committee on top say them quick finish waiting in call critical national assignments. Ikonyan say in believe say God go help them because say in they ready to help Naija people. May our economy fit they can't way and may our future fit bright.
As we go forward, we must chart a new course and remain steadfast. I believe the priorities contained in this plan present a practical way of achieving our desire of a truly competitive economy that can support our people and secure our future.
Presido Buhari still salutes Naija people, say then try well. On top say then they endure all the quarter where this year pandemic don't cause. It can still greet the health workers where they risk their lives to they treat the people where get coronavirus.
We have a great work ahead of us. Government revenues have diminished considerably, largely due to the fall in oil prices. So, we must prepare for difficult times while government continues to seek ways to implement what I consider a national plan.
It no end for there as the committee can talk say wetin the Economic Sustainability Plan one real do na to help Naija people fit tackle the kasala wey coronavirus don cause for Naija. Say if they no quick prevent all this yamayama wey this year disease one cause so, unemployment go high reach 33.3% before year 2020 go end and plenty people go dey very poor. Say if they no dey careful, gross domestic product (GDP) go come fall go minus 4.40% and minus 8.91%. Now here we see this ogbonge informate reach on top with tori for today. On top say Presido Buhari don receive Economic Sustainability Plan from Vice Presido Osinbanjo for Abuja. Make una sabi say na TMC TV na in carry this ogbonge informate come give una. My name na Oiza Aboriogun.